Okay, so something, anything you think post your trip that you wish you knew before boarding the cruise? Like maybe it would have enhanced, or you should have been aware about any things which you think anyone who is doing it for the first time, who is going on a cruise, which might enhance the, or you had missed out on something. Yeah,
So, see, Prathamesh, honestly, there are a lot of things and you can't do everything. But
yeah,
I would suggest to someone who is planning a cruise vacation, um, you get the itinerary of things, the events and the activities on the cruise beforehand in the app, 1 or 2 days, I
okay,
think so, if I
okay,
remember it correctly. So
okay,
if you want to do specific things, you go through it once, go through the itinerary, and then plan your day according to it.
right,
Don't try to do everything. That is something,
correct.
because
Well
what
said.
happens is, even for us, like, it's very overwhelming.
Yeah,
When you step onto the cruise, you try, I want to do this, sorry, I want to do that. This is something, this has to do. And the
correct,
cruise is huge. Going
correct.
from one end of the cruise to the other end will take definitely 15 to 20 minutes. Okay.
Correct. Agree.
You have different pathways, different lifts. There are, I think so, 3 lift lobbies.
Yeah,
Each lift lobby has some 8 to 10 lifts. Okay, and these lifts are at 3 points. So understanding the cruise will take you 1 day.
correct.
So
I agree.
if possible, someone can just go through the layout of the cruise, because you
Yeah,
also get the layout of the cruise on the app.
yeah,
There is a tail end, there is a head. They have specific names. Now I don't remember names properly, but
yeah.
everything there, lot of information is there on the app. So if possible, if you can go through the app in the first before boarding the cruise, the first 2 days before boarding the cruise, you will get a lot of information, and then you can plan things. Also plan just 2 3 things in a day, because
Correct.
relaxing on the cruise is also altogether different fun. Now our room, they have different type of rooms.
Right.
Coming to that point, so I had booked a room with balcony. Okay, now there
Okay.
is an indoor room also which doesn't has a balcony or any
Right.
opening. Then there is a room which has just a window, and then there is a room with balcony. Then there are
Right.
suites and like six
Correct.
seven categories of rooms. So I had booked, I think so, the third or fourth category
Yeah.
with balcony. Now just sitting into that balcony and just looking over the ocean
Okay.
itself is a different fun. You can
Right.
easily spend some
Look at the
3 4 5 hours,
Look at the
at least
Correct.
2 3 hours sitting
Yeah.
at the evening time looking at the sunset. If
Yeah.
it's sky is clear, it's also an experience. So do that as well, because it's not often you will be doing it, right? Sitting in a
Correct. I agree.
balcony of a cruise
So
and
one
just
question,
glancing at the ocean.
you mentioned the plan, or all the events which are there appear 2 days prior to the trip. Whatever. Can you book them 2 days prior to the trip, or they just appear and you can go through it? Like you mentioned for the cinema, you mentioned you have to do a booking.
Uh,
Can you do?
No, I think so. The booking opens on the day of your
Okay.
the boarding, the cruise boarding day.
Okay. Okay.
So you can go through it. There is something like calendar they have. You can put the events in your calendar, okay,
Okay.
and then you get the view like a Google Calendar.
Yeah.
So you can plan that. But the booking, I think, as far as I remember, you can do it from the day you're going to board the cruise, even in the morning. Say the boarding time is around 11 12 in the afternoon,
Yeah.
but you can start booking it from 10 a.m. or 9 a.m. onwards on the day itself.
Perfect.